Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is a 2002 Ford Thunderbird Convertible. And in this video, I'm going to take you around the car. I'm going to actually take you under the car, but right now I'm going to take you for a ride in the car, so buckle up. This Thunderbird is just tight as a drum. It drives beautifully. It's got a ton of power. The coils have been replaced, so it's just ready to go. It's got a ton of power. It handles straight, it tracks straight, and it drives beautifully. Right now it's kind of a crisp winter day, and I've got the heater on, and it's just, you know, staying nice and toasty in here. It's had just a really fastidious owner that's taken great care of it. So everything on it is working, and it's in beautiful shape. Everything's working great on it. Ton of power. You just step on it and the thing just goes. All right, so there we are. Be sure to check out the description. If you're not over on my webpage already, head over there to Left Coast Classics. You'll find an additional probably 150 more photos of the car there. And thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. My God, we're almost at 8 million views on my YouTube channel. I can't believe it. We're on the social media sites, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. And be sure to check out 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers. I'm on the first episode years ago when Ed China was still the mechanic, a 57 Ford Thunderbird, this one right here. 2018, it was a Lancia Fulvia, filmed up here at my shop in Sonoma. And the latest episode just aired December 29th, 2020, and that's for a really special little Triumph TR4, so be sure to check that episode out as well. All right, thanks for checking out this cool Thunderbird. Give me a call if you have any questions. All right, so we're just heading under the Thunderbird. It's as you would expect. It's just super clean California car, garaged. Just very nice under here. No issues. No rust, no rot. Beautiful floors. Inner rockers are fantastic. Everything's in its place as it should be. And should make a really great car for somebody.